Hello students, I am your Abhijit sir, and today I have come with a new video, that is part 2 for chapter 3, changes in transport. So in my last video we have already discussed about the transportation system and the different means of transportation. So today we will discuss about the changes that has taken place in the transportation system. So at first we will be discussing about land transportation, okay, which is commonly used by us for transportation. So students, now we are having faster cars and vehicles compared to the vehicles which were used by the early humans or in earlier period, right? And every day we are coming with new ideas with some additional facilities. And the result is quite clear that we are having a different types of vehicles in our surroundings. If we talk about some cities, some big cities are using metro rail as a rapid transportation system, and it is an extremely convenient mode of transportation, and they does not pollute the air also. There are some other means of transportation like land transportation, like you can talk about e-rickshaw, that is very much common nowadays. Okay, then we are having bus, car, motorcycle, cycle. This all belongs to the land transportation. Okay, so they have different uses. Like if you want to go to a nearby place, you will use your cycle or motorcycle. But if you want to visit a place which is quite far away, then you will use train, maybe bus. Okay, so students, if we talk about water transportation, water transport has also different types of vehicles. Okay, so from huge and luxurious ships to smaller ones. Okay, so there are many types of water vehicles, and human have developed over time. So students, water transportation is also very much common. Okay, and there is also in water transportation also there is a huge variety. Okay, so from huge and luxurious ships to smaller ones. There are some small boats and dinghies which transport a small number of people and which are basically found in villages and smaller towns, whereas the larger passenger vehicles known as ferries are used to transport hundreds of people across large rivers. Then there are some other water vehicles also, like which are used by the fishermen and known as trawlers, and they use these trawlers for fishing when they go to the oceans. Okay, then there are some other types of boats which are very much famous and regional, like if we talk about Dal Lake in Kashmir, you can see there are some other type of boat. Then like in your book it is given, like they have talked about Venice, a famous city in Italy. Okay, there is a unique water vehicle called gondola. Okay, and students, then air transport. Okay, students, air transport is playing a significant role in our present world, and it has changed greatly over the years. Okay, if you look in your surroundings, it is important as it can transport anything at any time, at any place within a very short period of time. Okay, there are some remote areas where you will not find any roadways or water transportation. Then the only opportunity or the only solution is using air transportation. Okay. So the journey started with a basic and simple aircraft, and today people are going to space. You can see the difference, right? But students, the problem is air transportation is very much expensive. But we cannot deny the crucial role of air transportation. Okay? We use helicopters and choppers not only in case of emergency, like for relief and rescue operations in some emergency situation, but we also use helicopters as a air ambulance. Okay, it is used to ferry injured people to hospital. Like a recent example during, like recently came no Amphan, we have seen the uses of helicopters to rescue people and to send the relief measures. So students, there is no doubt that the mankind has made them able to overcome almost every obstacle that comes on the way of their development. But students, the most important thing is that we need to keep in mind is that if we do not protect our environment, if we do not protect our earth, or you can say nature, then earth cannot protect us, and we live on this earth. So if we do not protect earth, then the earth will also not protect. That means we will not be able to live. So we should always try to escape from polluting the environment in every possible way. It can be by using electrical vehicle. It can be by restraining yourself from using plastic. Then you can also walk to reach to your nearby places, and we can sometimes share a vehicle to go to a same destination, right? So public transportation is there. It is not necessary to use your motorcycle or personal car only every time, so we can also use the public transportation. So these all are like seems to be small but very important to save the nature. So your small contribution can save the earth, right? Because we can see the effect of global warming, the melting of polar ice is a very much dangerous problem for the present world, right? So we should try to give our best to save the earth. Okay, so students, this is it for today, and you should read the chapter. Very interesting chapter. Lot of information is given here, and the question answers will be provided shortly. And after this we will again revise the chapters, and I will provide some insight questions also. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.